Hello friends, let's start with practice at 5.2. Before starting with practice at 5.2, let's know one formula which you're going to need for this practice set. हमने practice at 5.1 में x plus a bracket x plus b use किया था, which gave us x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Well, in this practice set, we're going to use a plus b the whole cube, which gives us a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now, we can write this as 3ab bracket a plus b. Now, if you see, this term and this term has 3ab common. So, we take 3ab common and in the bracket you're left with a plus b. So, आप ये भी यूज कर सकते हो और आप ये भी यूज कर सकते हो. Let's see the first sum. K plus 4 the whole cube. Now over here K stands for A and 4 stands for B. So ये formula apply करते हैं. A cube मतलब K the whole cube plus 3 A square इसका मतलब K the whole square into B that is 4 plus 3AB square that is 3 A is K B is 4 the whole square plus B cube. यहाँ पे B क्या है? 4 है. So 4 the whole cube. Now in this case, यहाँ पे K cube will be as K cube, K square will be K square और यहाँ पे 3 into 4 12 हो जाएगा plus यहाँ पे पहला हम 4 का स्क्वायर करेंगे that will give us 16 plus 4 का cube will be 64. Which is k cube plus 12k square 3 into 16 will give us 48k plus 64. So this is what the final answer is. You can also write this as अगर हमने second type use किया that is in the terms of 3ab which will give us is I'll write with another chalk a cube that is the k cube plus 3 into AB that is 3 into K into B क्या है अपना 4 फिर ब्रैकेट के अंदर K plus 4 रहेगा plus B cube is 64. I'll write it as the whole cube 4 the whole cube. Now we get K cube plus 3 into 4 is 12K K plus 4 plus 64. That is what the answer you get. You can use any one of them. You can write this or this. Both are correct. Second sum 7x plus 8y the whole cube. Now over here 7x will stand for A and 8y will stand for B. Now we'll apply this formula. We'll get 7x the whole cube plus 7x into it will be 3 into 7x the whole square plus into 8y plus 3 into 7x into 8y the whole square plus 8y the whole cube. Now when you solve this you get 7 the whole cube is 343 and there is x over here that is a variable and we'll write x cube plus 7 the whole square, so that is nothing but 49x square into 8y plus this will give you 3 into or we can write this as 3 into 7 will be 21x into 64y square and 8 cube is nothing but 512y the whole cube. Now we'll solve this, we'll multiply this over here. So this will be as it is, it won't change. Now 3 8s are 3, we'll multiply 3 8s are first. So we'll get 3 8s are is 24 into 49. Sorry, there is y also over there. So we'll separate that, we can write that as x square y, okay, plus 21 into 64 which gives you 21x into 64y square will give you 1344xy the whole square and 512 the whole cube. Well, let's multiply 24 into 49. So 24 into 49 will give you 18 and 21, 4 is 16. This gives you nothing, 6, 7, and 1. So this gives you 343x cubed plus 114. We got as 7, 6x square 5 plus 1344 xy square plus 512y cube. So that is your final answer. Third question, 7 plus m the whole cube. So over here 7 as a and m as b. So we'll apply this formula. We get 7 the whole cube plus 3 into 7 the whole square into m plus 3 into 7 into m the whole square plus m cube. Now we get this as 7 the whole cube is nothing but 343, which we did in the previous sum. 3 into 7, that is 7 the whole square is 49 into m plus 3 into 7 is 21 m square we get over here, and we get this as m cube. 3 into 49, 3 into 49 will be 7, 3 4s are 127, sorry, I think 3 9s are 27 and 2 gets carry, and this is 147 m plus 21 m square plus m cube. So yes, this becomes your final answer. Fourth sum, 52 the whole cube. Now ये जो sum है, it's not same as the previous sum. So यहाँ पे हम 52 को वहाँ पे दो टर्म हुआ करता था. Like for example 7 plus m हम लोग ने किया था, तो यहाँ पे दो टर्म था, so it was easy for a and b. यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही टर्म है. But we can write this as we gonna use the split term. We gonna use the split term. That is, we can split 52 as 50 plus 2 the whole cube. So in this case, 50 becomes your A and 2 becomes your B. Now this becomes similar to the formula. So we can apply 50, that is the formula over here, as 50 the whole cube plus 3 into A है हमारा 50 और B है हमारा 2. A plus B, so that is 50 plus 2, that is nothing but it gives you 52 itself, plus 2 the whole cube. So यहाँ पे आपको calculation करना होगा. So 50 the whole cube will be 125,000. So 3 times. So 5 का cube is 125 and 3 it's raised to 3. So 3 zeros आएंगे यहाँ पे, plus 3 into 50 will be 150. 150 into 2 will be 300. So this will be your 52 plus 2 the whole cube is 8. Now in this case 125,000 plus जब हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हमें 156 double zero, that is 15,600 मिलेगा, plus 8. जब इसे हम तीनों को ऐड करेंगे, what addition will get? That is 0, 0, 6, 10, 4, 1 plus 8, which is nothing but 140608. So this is your final answer. Fifth sum, we have 101 the whole cube, that is we have only one term. We'll split this term as we did in the previous sum. We can write this as 100 plus 1 the whole cube. Now we can use this formula, that is a plus b the whole cube. So here 100 the whole cube plus 3 into 100 the whole square into 1 plus 3 into 100 into 1 the whole square plus 1 the whole cube. So 100 cube will be, you will get 6 zeros. Okay, so this is 1 lakh and this will give you 10,000 into 1, that is 1, plus this will give you 300 because 1 the whole square is 1 and this will give you 1. So plus when you multiply this you get 30,000 plus this is 301. Now when you go on adding, so you go on adding from the last term. So when you add this, you get 30301, and when you add this, you get 1030301. So this becomes your final answer. Sixth sub, x plus 1 upon x the whole cube. So we'll use the formula over here. X is a and 1 upon x is our b. So x cube plus 3 1 upon x the whole cube. Sorry, so a is our x and 1 upon x plus 3, this is square, okay. So 3a square b, so we'll put it square, and this will be x 1 upon x the whole cube plus, sorry, square, 1 upon x the whole cube. So x cube plus, this will be x square into 1 upon x plus 3 into x into 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x cube. So this x and x square will get cancelled. You get x cube plus 3x, and over here also you will get this get cancelled, and you are left with 3 upon x plus 1 upon x cube. So henceforth this becomes your final answer. Seventh sum, 2m plus 1 upon 5 the whole cube. Well, 2m stands for a and 1 by 5 stands for b. We'll apply this formula over here. So 2m the whole cube plus 3 into 2m into 1 upon 5, 2m plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 the whole cube. Now over here, if you see, there's a variable with this. So यहाँ पे 2 the whole cube होएगा. So 2 per cube is 8, and this will be m cube. 3 into 2 will be 6, और ये 5 यहाँ पे आएगा, and this will be m. And ये bracket वैसे का वैसे रहेगा. Plus 1 upon 5 will be 1 upon 125. Well, further, if you see 8m cube plus ये हम bracket के अंदर multiply करेंगे, so that we get the final answer in an expansion form. So 6m into 2m. So यहाँ पे numerator जो है 6m will get multiplied with 2m, will get 12. m into m will give you m square. ये जो 12 is nothing but 6 into 2, and this you get as 5 in the denominator. Now this 6 will get multiplied with 1 also, and even with m. So this will be 6m. 5 into 5 will be 25. And plus जो last term बचता है, that is 1 upon 125. And yes, this becomes your final answer.